PBT, or Progressing Ballet Technique, is a CrossFit program that I devised for ballet students, dance students, even ice skaters. Synchronized swimming teams are using PBT these days.
Marie Walton-Mahon has been one of the most successful ballet teachers in Australia and has trained some of our most accomplished dancers. This program that she's developed is now, I'm so excited to say, gone global. And she's been so successful in helping teachers around the world prepare their dancers, not just to dance, but all the preparation that you need to go into a ballet class and have the strength to be able to be as successful as possible.
Originally, I produced this because of my passion for early movement training to be perfected and to set up posture, alignment, those critical elements that improve dance.
I know Marie for many years. For over the past 40 years, she has helped so many students to achieve their best in ballet. Her Progressing Ballet Technique is a very innovative program designed to help students with their core strength, with their stability, with their balance, and it's all designed to help them to become the best dancer they could possibly become. And this also help their teachers to help their students to achieve the utmost best outcome for their dancing careers.
A long time ago, I started with a small group of 10-year-olds experimenting with fitballs. Their posture was improved within 3 months. We took the feelings from working non-weight bearing and moved that into the classroom. From there, I kept executing more and more exercises with these students. And then it was like a light bulb with these students. They understood exactly what was going to be transferred through their muscle memory into the classroom.
Progressing Ballet Technique is an incredible syllabus that Marie has created of exercises that benefit students, and it's building their core strength and stability.
The benefits of PBT are immense. The body is forever, so we work slowly through early movement patterns. The use of the fusion ball and the fit ball and the resistance bands give a tangible feeling to the body that sets up that wonderful intrinsic feeling in the body of how to feel and bring those feelings into the classroom.
It not only benefits students, but it also benefits, I think, professional dancers, because myself, I have struggled with some injuries over the last couple of years, and Progressing Ballet Technique has really helped me get back to full fitness and be able to perform.
If students stand up and they execute something wrong, like a beat going this way instead of using the adductors, then wrong goes into that child's body, and wrong says to that child, wrong is right. So you need to take the floor out of it.
I believe that Progressing Ballet Technique is so beneficial for students, and especially young students, in creating the strength that they need to become strong technicians and also free of injuries.
We know that muscles themselves, the muscles in our body, don't have memory, but it's the muscles, when activated correctly, send the signals to the brain. The brain is very complex and it stores that feeling. That's why if they do in class a movement wrong, that muscle memory stores in the brain to them that wrong is right. So take the floor out of it, refine the movement step by step, and it's that muscle that sends signals to the brain to refine movement patterns and then transfer them into the classroom is like gold.
Progressing Ballet Technique is just so beneficial to dancers and professionals alike. You know, dancers can have a relatively short career, so it's really helpful with injury prevention, making sure you're working right, landing right. It completely enhances your ability to jump, to hold your leg high. It just really pushes you to that next level, and it's such an amazing technique that I think everyone can really benefit from.
And of course, it is the most safe thing that teachers can deliver to their students instead of them trying to do grand jetés in the living room.
It is not only strict exercises, you're performing it at the same time to really beautiful music, to develop port de bras, allegro, adage, everything that you need to become the best dancer that you can be.
We have physiotherapists, join our courses all the time. And now there is interest to place the progressing ballet technique on the university courses for graduates that are going to be physiotherapists, dance kinesiologists, and sports medicine trained. Why the physiotherapists are coming to the courses is because they're handling the rehabilitation of dancers, but also for rehabilitation of athletes. Athletes are specialized trainers, of course, and some of our exercises, particularly if they're runners, the lower leg, the intrinsic exercises, are wonderful for the rehabilitation of athletes. So it's the whole body awareness. And it's very exciting how far this has grown. Every progressing ballet technique exercise is being looked at and scrutinized with not only myself, but our official PBT physiotherapist.
So as the student gains control of the hyperextension, gains control, that nice co-contraction, we would then ask the student to go to work for some hip and pelvis stability and to be able to lengthen the hip and pelvis and torso up over the hip and over the leg to lengthen the leg, so that the student doesn't learn to sit back into their hyperextended knees, so that they're lengthened up over the hip joint and low back, not just locking back into some hyperextended knees.
Never did I dream that it was going to go global and be taught in well over 40 countries and on the curriculum for well over 4,500 schools. I'm very proud of where PBT has come from and where it is today.